Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today we are doing our first video about knitting, so I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So the first couple of videos are going to be just a couple of basic videos so that you guys can know what we are doing in larger projects later. So I'm going to teach you how you can cast stitches on to begin the pattern that you want. That's what I'm going to be doing today with you. So I will be using my 10mm needles. So these are knitting needles with this line to connect them and keep the stitches in place as we work. So I highly recommend getting something similar. And the wool that I used is 8 to 10mm, so the needles should fit just fine. You may be able to see it here. So let's take the beginning out and we can start. So we are starting with one needle, so first put that down and take the thread in your hand. Go over your fingers and you need this pretzel shape when you remove your fingers, so let me show you one more time. There, so let's take the needle that we are starting with. Doesn't matter which one because they're all the same. Go here behind the thread and pull it upwards, get a knot. Don't pull too tight just yet. So here is the end thread and now we can start the cast on. So you need 3 times the length that you want. So if you are doing let's say 10 centimeters of a particular pattern, leave about 30 centimeters on this end. So you can always try it out, but this works for my project perfectly. So let me show you one more time, but this time we will be a bit quicker. So you don't have to form the pretzel shape if you kind of get the hang of it. So after a while the pretzel shape is kind of redundant, you can do it without it. So you can just leave it on here and pull the needle through. So let's now take the end thread in our hand and go around the index finger. Here is a regular working thread. End thread here, and here around my thumb we have our thread now, so we get this V shape. Go under the thread from the thumb and take the end thread, so the one around your index finger, and go through. And here is our first stitch. So let's do that again. So you do all the work with your thumb basically. Pull the thumb out and you got a new stitch. Super simple, so don't pull it too tight. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So here we are now, and I think I will show you again from starter, so just so you're sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you find these basics helpful, and if you would like to see more, feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye!